Hey everyone, I'm Rick, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to drones and want something super easy to fly, captures amazing 4K video, and doesn't cost a fortune, then you're in for a treat today. We're reviewing the DJI Neo 2 drone for beginners. This little powerhouse shoots smooth 4K footage with a 3-axis gimbal, has intelligent modes like quick shots and active track for cinematic clips without much skill, gives up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, offers 10-kilometer transmission range, automatic return to home for safety, and weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed for casual fun. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that's beginner-friendly, portable, and delivers pro-looking aerial shots for vlogs, travel, or family adventures, this is the perfect starter. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Neo 2 drone. This drone is tiny and foldable, weighing just 249 grams, so it's easy to toss in your pocket or bag. The camera uses a 1/2-inch sensor for 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12 megapixel photos, stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for buttery smooth footage, even if you're moving or there's wind. Flight is effortless. One-tap takeoff and landing from your hand, plus smart modes like Circle, Rocket, Dronie, and Helix that automatically film epic shots while you focus on framing yourself. Battery lasts 31 minutes per flight, and the combo kit includes 3 batteries for over 90 minutes total with quick USB-C charging. Transmission is OcuSync 3.0 for a 10-kilometer range with 1080p live view on your phone, and it's stable even in busy areas. Safety is strong with forward obstacle sensing, GPS for precise hovering, automatic return to home if signal drops or battery gets low, and geofencing to avoid restricted zones. You can fly without a remote using hand gestures to start, stop, or take selfies, or use the DJI Fly app for full control and editing. The app has templates to turn raw clips into polished videos with music and effects ready to share. It's wind resistant up to level 5 and no pilot license required for beginners. Setup is fast. Unfold, pair with your phone, calibrate, and fly. Priced around $300 for the Fly More combo, it's durable with propeller guards and a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are flying high, sharp 4K stabilized video that's beginner-friendly yet looks pro. Easy intelligent modes for cinematic shots without effort. Generous 31-minute battery with extras in the kit. Reliable 10-kilometer range and solid safety features. Ultra-portable design perfect for travel. And the app's quick editing tools for instant content. Users rave about how approachable it is, the smooth footage, and the value for such quality. On the con side, obstacle sensing is only forward, so you need to watch sides and back. No raw photo support for heavy editing. The app can be finicky on older phones, and wind resistance isn't ideal for very gusty days. A few mentioned wanting more battery standard, but overall the pros dominate for new flyers. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the DJI Neo 2 drone if you're starting out. And the pros like easy modes, 4K video, and portability make sense for you. It's perfect for hobbyists, travelers, or anyone wanting aerial fun without complexity. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your drone dreams off the ground, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who wants to fly, or subscribe for more. See you next time.